Hi, I'm Alex from Doc 365. Today I'm going to talk about how to find enough time between continuous meetings to avoid stress and avoid losing focus. Microsoft has pulled out a simple remedy to help you find enough break time between each meeting. You can now use the option Shorten Duration for All event to manage time effectively. According to this new update, users can decide the amount of break time they need and whether it should be at the start or at the end of each meeting. Once you enable this setting, the meeting time will be adjusted automatically for all your users whenever they schedule a new meeting. Here is how you can do it in Outlook Web. First, you need to sign in into your Outlook account. So you will be logged into this home page. So let's first take a look at the calendar of my Outlook. So here is how it looks, and as you can see, there are a lot of meetings scheduled for each day, which makes it very complicated. And most probably, the members or the attendees of each meetings will feel frustrated and stressed. Most probably, they will not get enough time between each meeting uh, to take a break or to drink a glass of water or to relax for some time. To avoid this, you can make use of this new setting to set up a good amount of break time between each meeting. So for that, you need to go to the settings here and choose view all Outlook settings. So it will take you to the settings window. Here you can find all kinds of settings of your Outlook. You need to go to the events and invitations section, and this is the option I was talking about, shorten duration for all events. You can also uncheck it if you are not very much uh, exhausted attending a lot of meetings. So what you want to do is just check the shorten duration for all events option and choose whether you wish to have a break time or a delay at the beginning of each meeting or at the end of each meeting. So choose accordingly. I'm actually choosing uh, the first option, end events early. According to this option, the meetings will end early so that you will get a certain amount of time to relax before the next meeting or the next scheduled session. So, along with choosing this, you need to decide the time you want to delay or time you wish to reserve for a break. So, for you can set this in two ways. For less than an hour meetings or the meetings which are less than an hour, you can set a different time, and you can set a different time delay or break setting for meetings that are longer than an hour. So for less than 1 hour meetings, I'm just choosing 10 minutes, and for an hour and longer minutes meetings, I'm choosing 15 minutes. So this will be sufficient for those days which are actually very much busy with more than plenty of meetings on a continuous array. So after making these changes, you can just click on save and save all these options. So what happens is when you make this change, all your meetings will be adjusted accordingly, and whenever a new user will be creating a new meeting, the meeting time will be adjusted accordingly. So I have just tried it. We found it very useful. You can also try this in for your organization and let us know the results in the comments. Have a good day.